Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The CPython plus Cython implementation is the fastest. It is 44 times faster than the CPython implementation. This is an impressive speed improvement, especially considering that the Cython code is very close to the original Python code in its design.
Take our lead.
In terms of raw performance, Python is definitely slower than Java, C# and C++. For most things, Python is fast enough. Winking face. This site lets you compare different programming languages to each other. It uses simple bar graphs to show speed, memory usage, etc.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
It's worth noting that while running a compiled script has a faster startup time, as it doesn't need to be compiled, it doesn't run any faster. The pyc file is Python that has already been compiled to bytecode. Py file, the only thing that's faster about.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The performance of C++ and Python also comes to an end with this conclusion: C++ is much faster than Python. After all, Python is an interpreted language, and it cannot be a match for a compiled language such as C++. The good news is that you can get the best of both worlds by combining C++ and Python code.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.